Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and first look of a new Opinel in the variant of the handle of 07. So this will be the folding chestnut and garlic knife, the Opinel No.7 chestnut, garlic and pitting knife from the Opinel unique gourmet collection. So if you know about this French company, they're around for a long time. They're producing really nice, inexpensive, mostly user focused folding knives, and they are out of France. This has been a new version for 2021, so when I saw it I purchased it so that I can check it out and also share it here with you on my channel. So as you can see here, this is a knife mainly focused for pitting and taking out stones from fruits like apricots. I don't know what do you have, others like cherries and so on. So let me open it up. There you have your safety, so you can close it, open it, so that you have a virtual fixed blade. Now you would have to break this piece of steel to close it up on you, so this is definitely a really nice design. So let me give you the quick specifications. So we have a overall length of 13.7 centimeters, that is 5.4 inches. The blade length is 3.8 centimeters, 1.5 inches. So this should be legal in all jurisdictions around the world. The blade width is 1.7 centimeters, 0.6 inches. The blade thickness is 1.4 millimeters, that is 0.05 inches. And we have a handle length of 10 centimeters or 4 inches and thickness of 1.9 centimeters or 0.7 inches. This is a stainless steel variant on the blade, so we have a 12C28N, so this is a sandwich steel used on this one, and we have a Warncliffe blade configuration. The handle is made out of chestnut wood, untreated, so if you like you can sculpt it, you can stain it to make it any color or configuration you like to fit more your hand. So that is also a huge point with these Opinel's knives. They will give you a nice contoured handle, but then you have plenty of room to make it your own. There you can see that really nice, very agile blade, and so it is very easy to take out the pits and stones from your fruit, and also cutting up chestnuts and garlic, of course. So now let's see the sharpness. So yes, this really nice and sharp, and with this full thread ground blade, this is an excellent slicing configuration, so you will have no problem, minimum resistance while cutting into the soft flesh of the fruit. But then of course you can also use it for opening packages and so on. It is not limited only to fruit. The weight comes at 29.4 grams or 1 ounce. So this is this will disappear in your pocket, or if you have a dedicated pouch, you can throw it in your backpack or any kind of bag. So on the scale we have the Opinel and France. On the collar, the lock, we have number 7, which is the handle configuration and the length. And there we have the Opinel inox, which is stainless steel, and the logo. And the other side is sterile. Satin finish. Okay, so I really like these non-standard, let's say non-standard Opinel knives, like probably you have seen previously in my channel, probably a long time ago. This is my this is a 08 handle, the fruit knife. For more size comparisons, let's continue with, let's see, CVV Elementum, 940 from Benchmade, Rustic Gent from CVV, Rough Rider Peanut, Kaiser Pinch, Buck Texas Toothpick, Tribal Lock from Case, here's the Small Reptilian from Benchmade, Bug Vintage Select Small, a Kershaw Leak, a Red Model 2, K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, a small Stockman from the Midnight Swirl series from Rough Rider, and one more, the 1508 from Brother. Okay, so price wise, this should be fresh now available from the resellers. The price should be around 12 euros or $20 depending on your discount from your favorite reseller, of course. So check them out. I will put down the description where I bought the knife. This is a French company, so keep that in mind. If you are from US, then you will probably have to check out your favorite resellers if they have this one on stock or not. Okay, so with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. I appreciate all of my subscribers. If you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I usually try to publish at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented stuff, but also sometimes the other regarding my other hobbies. So that being said, if you like, you can also check out my playlists. I try to keep everything nice and organized, and you will find much more interesting knives right there. So I would like to thank you and wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.